here's my case. Nice big, it's a 1620 Pelican case. Lets me fit a ton of stuff in here. So, in the top I keep all the tools, extra props, charging adapters, extra antenna, battery straps, earplugs. Always at manufacturing sites need earplugs. And then here we've got all of the good stuff. So, a couple drones. This is usually what I'm going to first. 3.5 inch 03 Cine Loop. I'll put the Action 2 on there, the DJI Action 2, but usually I end up using the 03's feed anyways. The 03 feed is, it just looks better and it's 10-bit. And then I've got this guy, another 03 mini, little tiny guy for under the 250 Category 1 drone, so I can fly over people and stuff if I need to, or in a tiny office. And then I've got some of another one, traditional 3-inch, and this has got the old Vista unit in there. And let's actually just strap any action camera, just strap it to it rather than like the mount. And then I've got the 2.5 inch, 2.5 inch 4S that flies a naked cam. This one's under the 250 gram limit as well. But that way I always have a backup. I can run those two for pretty much everything, but if something goes wrong I can grab one of these and go for backup. And then I also bring a couple GPS drones. So I've got the Mini 3 Pro. This is a fantastic little drone. It's so lightweight and cheap. But clients don't like it because it's so small. So I make sure I always bring this one out first to get the good video stuff. This is the Mavic 3 Pro. So then I control those two drones with this controller. This is the RC Pro. There we go, the RC Pro. So this lets you control the DJI drones, but also you can do DigiView on here. So when you're flying FPV, the clients can see your FPV feed. Sort of. It's a huge pain to get it to work. You have to trick it into a firmware update, or the state of a firmware update, and then open DigiView. But that does work to do that. And then for FPV drone controller, I got the Radio Master TX16S. And the fancy gimbals, the CNC gimbals on there. I do the DJI goggles, V2 goggles. I can do both the 03 with this unit, I can do analog with this, and I can do the original DJI with this. So, most versatile goggle set you can get. And then I keep the cables and stuff to go from viewports and the monitors and headphones and all the miscellaneous cables you need for stuff there. Here's the action cameras. Action cam bag. So in here right now at least is the DJI Action 2. Got the Insta 360 1-inch sensor, 1R. It's got the big fat sensor. This one's really heavy, but it looks fantastic. And then you got the an extra naked cam. I think these are GoPro 6 or 7, forget. Different plugs and adapters and stuff. Let's see, got some more ND filters for the GoPros, some extra batteries and adapters and stuff in there. More ND filters. ND filters are so important for video. I've got a client view monitor, so when I'm flying the Mavic and stuff, clients can see the HDMI out feed on this. Let's see, what else? Just batteries, I guess. So I keep charged batteries here, and then once I use them, I'll stick them here so that I can kind of keep straight and not have to think too much about what's charged and what's not. So that's what's in the main bag. And I always pack a backup as well, in case everything goes really bad. I lose something, a bunch of stuff breaks, goggles don't work. So I've got a spare set of goggles, an extra controller, a few different charging cables and stuff, another a little Cine Loop that does like a naked cam. It's all analog. And And then this guy's like an Android phone, and this lets me have a big screen. Battery life lasts forever, but I can run DigiView on here, so client can watch the FPV feed. So that's what's in the backup bag if everything else goes wrong. Oh, and I strap a chargers and stuff on the top.
I felt like I jumped out of the truck like it was on fire.
Yeah, it's amazing how short the cab is when you're flying through it.
Yeah, I bet.